Good morning, everybody. It is 8:52. I woke up at 7:30. Charlotte woke up at 7:30, and Ben woke up at 7:30. We all woke up at the same time. Kind of cool. Yeah. So today I kind of want to have a productive day. I really want to go somewhere, but I'm like, I don't need to. I don't need to, but I'm like, Graham, the kids are not. The kids are sleeping, or the kids. I'm like, Graham, you don't have to work till like, you know, noon. So I don't know, but so far I already have one load of laundry. Did I say? Yeah, it's 8:52. I have one load of laundry already working out in the laundry room. I emptied the dishwasher already. I am loading the dishwasher. I gotta wash some dishes. So I mean, I feel like I did get some stuff productive already. I've cleaned up some of the countertop. I just gotta pick up a couple things here and there, but I think I am having somewhat of a productive day. It's like something on my sink. But, you know, I just want to get a bunch of stuff done. Today is supposed to be like, it's supposed to get nicer at the end of the week. So it's like cold, windy, and rainy outside right now. So I want to get a bunch of stuff done today. I want to get my table cleared off. I want to get the one project I was working on for a friend, and then I have another project for another friend that I want to work on or start working on, probably finish it, because then I can mail it to her, because she lives back with my parents, or back home where my parents are. So I don't know, but I just want to get some stuff organized. Last night I did productive with the basement. I might kind of work down there again for 10 minutes. I feel like I just need to. I gotta force myself to do it. But pretty excited. We have a surprise coming at like 2:30 to 4:30, so we will see how that goes. I'm gonna try to film it, but yeah, I'm ready to get some stuff done. My place isn't like that messy. It's just things here, there's things, but I want to get it all organized, so you guys will definitely see me like probably do a couple fast forward videos, except I'm in my pajamas right now, so it's hard to do that. But once I get a shower, I feel totally refreshed, and I got to scan all my receipts for my apps. But yeah, let's have a nice productive day. Hello everybody, it is currently 11:49. I just got dressed. I just kind of laid down. I wanted to go back to bed, but then Graham went to work, and then Charlotte woke up from her nap. So I'm like, oh joy. So today is Rugrat Day. I'm currently wearing my Rugrat shirt, and then I also have Rugrat socks on. You guys, like, that's how awesome I am. And then what are we watching? The Rugrats. Look at that. Yes. Gotta zoom out. How do we zoom out? We can't, we're not going anywhere today. But yeah, so I'm pretty excited to, you know, watch the Rugrat movie. But this is the cup I was telling you guys about yesterday. I made this, when did I make this? Saturday morning I finished it. I love it. I absolutely loved it. Graham's like, you should do different colors. And I'm like, yeah, but you know what? I'm still learning. I think I'm gonna give this to my mother. I don't know. I know she likes hummingbirds. So I'm gonna do, I don't know. I'm gonna make another cup today, because I did get some cups from Michael's. I did get some cups from Michael's when I did an online order. Oh, and if you guys, my garbage bin's tipped over. If you guys know, if your Michael's are doing the Easter grab bags, I called mine this morning because I didn't get an email for the 80% off Easter. So I called them and say, hey, Paris is drunk. But I asked her, I'm like, you know, are you going to be doing the grab bags? And she's like, I'm not sure. She asked her manager, they said no. So if you guys do the grab bags, call your stores and ask them. I don't know if he just said no because he doesn't want to deal with it, or if they're doing what Target did and just got rid of everything. I don't know. But when I went to Michael's the other day, I ended up getting a green and yellow color changing cup. So I'm going to turn this into a Green Bay Packers, because, you know, I can give that to somebody, or make some, if somebody wants me to make them something, I'll totally do it. And they had another cup. This is supposed to be white, but it is a hint of blue, but it does turn blue. And then they had a pink one that turns, I can't remember, and I think the other one's orange, or if it's blue. I think it's blue. I can't remember. I think it's blue, pink, yellow, and white. So yeah, so I'm gonna work on that today. I gotta finish my little gift for a friend We have our surprise coming between 2:30 and 4:30. I'm on my second load of laundry. I gotta get the other ones out of the dryer. I gotta go get a basket. But I'm having a somewhat productive day, and I remembered to take my medicine on time. So yeah, I gotta run outside and go get the baskets because I gotta throw some trash away. But I'll catch you guys on the flip side. Hey you guys, so it is currently 2:20. Sorry, I just ate something. It's currently 2:20. Charlotte is really starting to walk. She walked about 3 feet today. I cannot catch her on camera because every single time I grab the camera out, she hurries up and crawls to me because she wants to be on camera. Or I get my phone and she crawls. But it's like when I don't have her on camera, you wave and say hi. But every time I don't have my camera, she walks. So I have a feeling she'll be walking because she just started doing this a lot last night. Mr. Betty Pooh's here.
Mom gave me a prize.
The prize should be here in the next 10 minutes to the next 2 hours. We have a time frame between 2:30 to 4:30. So we have to keep the door open.
What's in your earwax?
We have to keep the door open to make sure, you know, they come, because I don't think they come to the door. They just pull up in your driveway. You're supposed to keep an eye out for them. So, yes, Miss Charlotte's like, do you got food still in your mouth? Yeah. Yeah. I don't know what you guys, I have like just no ambition to do anything all of a sudden. It just hits me like that. But I'll pick up a little bit more. I just probably need that, like, that sugar boost. But no, we're gonna have, the surprise is gonna be here soon, so you don't want to be eating anything.
Is that a surprise? Eat anything?
It could be food that Benny Pooh likes. Yes, so yeah, I don't know. Ben made this little fort behind us, or Graham did. He put all the chairs underneath the trampoline, and then the kids have just been going under there.
I
like
didn't make
fort.
a shark is crawling under there to play with me.
Yeah, they just go under there because it's a fort, but I took the blanket off. So Miss Charlotte's like, Mom, I want to go. I gotta go explore. I gotta baby explore.
And I'm gonna go crawl again.
No, you're not. Okay, so I'll catch you guys when they get here and film it. Okay, you guys, so it's 2:32 and they just drove past our house. Ben's like, oh my God, are you serious? So I think they went to the neighbor's house. We're gonna open our garage door because I told them to wear shoes. Are you excited? Are you excited?
Yes.
Yes.
Sweet time.
Can I see what you got, little man? Cool. You got fruit punch. Okay, you guys, it's like cold and windy. I got blue raspberry and cherry. Ben got fruit punch, and then our cups changed colors. And I asked him, I'm like, are you guys gonna be doing this again? He's like, yeah. He's like, it's actually a better outcome than what they thought. So I'm like, you know, even without this whole virus thing, they should do this more often, because, you know, sometimes there's people who come to our house and are like, oh, do you want to sell stuff? Or there's people that drive through, and sometimes it's like, I just don't feel safe, you know, buying certain things from people. Ben, I'm gonna shut the garage door. So I'm like, you know, he's like, yeah, we're definitely gonna do this again, and I'm like, sweet. But mine's starting to. Paris. Paris loves butter.
Wait, Jose.
Okay, so we're gonna eat our little treat, and we'll catch back you guys in a little bit. Hey, Charlotte's gonna try a little bite of her snow cone. Yes, if I can get it to scoop. Okay.
I'm gonna
ready? Here we go.
Second.
Oh, don't wait, let her. We don't want to give her a brain freeze. She doesn't know what a brain freeze is. What color is your cup? Orange and red?
Yeah.
Yeah. I got a pretty pink and purple.
And I have a blue.
Oh, you dropped it. Lick it off the couch. I just wiped these couches down yesterday. Do you want more?
I'm gonna try mine this time.
Just a little bit.
Hey!
Okay, Ben, nope, that's too big. Let her, you're gonna give her a brain freeze. Oh, okay, we're gonna enjoy it before it melts. Hey you guys, so I don't know what it is, but my throat's starting to hurt, and then you read the symptoms of the coronavirus, and I know I don't have it, but you know, it's just all in your head, and then you start getting the symptoms, and it's just like, man almighty. But I am gonna make some spaghetti. I got some spaghetti sauce that I gotta use up if it's still good. But yeah, that's your water. But yeah, Charlotte woke up maybe about an hour ago from her nap. She's just, what? There's 2 gallons of milk, you didn't know that? We went to the gas station last night, kid. Charlotte's just sitting on the bottom stairs, standing up, eating her cheese. Did you eat all your cheese? She loves cheese. So I'm going to start cooking the noodles and the sauce, and then I get some meatballs, and then I'm going to sweep up the floor. I need to do something productive today. I don't know what it is, but I just need something to do. I gotta clean up my air fryer. Yeah, just gotta clean up a bunch of stuff. So, I mean, if you guys look at my countertop, it's not that bad. Like, you know, it's cleared up. Graham cleared this off yesterday, but, you know, I've been making food. And then the bread goes right over here.
I bought one screen yesterday.
I know you did, honey. That was naughty. Oh, so.
I put a hole in the screen. Now we have 4 to the 1 in the basement to up here.
Yeah, he accidentally moved a chair and the screen went right in the thing, but you know, it happens. It happens. So that is what I'm gonna try to do right now.
Be careful next time.
Yeah, you be careful. That's what I'm gonna try to do. That's what I'm trying to be careful. I'm going to start putting some stuff away, clearing off the countertop, clean off some stuff, and make some spaghetti. Because I'm really craving some spaghetti. I should drink soup. I'm just like in the mood for soup. Probably because it's so gloomy out. I mean, it's misting, it's cold. But then this weekend it's supposed to be 81. I have no idea. And well, I thought there was a deer in the backyard. It's a bench. Our neighbor put a bench in our backyard. And then I started working on some projects with my Cricut. I just need to cut those out. But, and then I'll work on another Cricut thing when I'm eating at the table. So that's what I'm gonna do in the next couple of minutes, is just get the mop cleaned up. Right, Miss Darlet? Yes. Yes, Miss Honey. Okay, so let's go clean. Hey you guys, so it's currently 8:49 and I just mopped the floors. I did a dance session. Sorry about how bad I was. Charlotte wanted to dance because she likes to dance. Now she's waving. Benjamin passed out. Don't worry about him right here. Yeah, he passed out right on the floor. I had the music blaring and he passed right out. Totally fine with me, so Graham can deal with that when he gets home. I did pick up a lot. Like, it didn't look like it, but I pretty much got a lot done than what I wanted to. I moved all the furniture back. He keeps building this. I think I'm gonna take it apart. Yeah, I'll take it apart. But he keeps like wanting a fort and everything, which is fine, but it's just like, okay. But I need to finish this craft. I'm gonna actually get everything ready. I got my little teacher gift that I made. I got everything like all prepared. I just got to put the glue on, or put the thing on. So I gotta finish that. I'm like super hot now. I just turned the air down. But I feel like I did get a lot. I mean, I did clean up the countertops, and now I've gathered all the dishes throughout the house, and now they're all in the sink, and I'll do that later. Miss Charlotte is getting ready to go to bed. I'm just giving her some milk before. Hi. 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 She loves to wave. But I'm just getting her all ready. I'm watching the second Jumanji movie of the newest ones. I was watching it, and then I kind of paused it, and I started cleaning, and I'm finding more things to pick up. I usually have water bottles for the kids, so they can like drink throughout the day, because I'd rather have them just drink water than help them themselves, especially Ben. I just want him to drink some water. So got that going on. I feel like I didn't get very much done today, but I do feel something's going on. And this sign keeps bothering me. I should take it down, but I don't want to get the tape all ruined up. I need to get up like on a chair. What? I got it down. Okay, so I gotta get all the tape off. Put that in my party box, which I was working on yesterday. So I'm gonna let you guys go. Tomorrow I have no idea what I'm doing tomorrow. Probably staying at home. I got nothing to look forward to. Funny thing is, they're starting to open everything up, but in my county, they're not. They're not opening anything up literally until May 26th, and that's what's going on. Because I saw somebody like saying that they went and got their nails done, one of my mom's friends, and I'm like, those places aren't open here. The hair salons are not open. Some of the stores might be open, but my county is being super strict right now. I think it's maybe because we're number 2 in the state for the most infected people, or maybe 2 or 3. The Milwaukee area, there's like a couple different counties, but we're the second most area, so gotta look forward to that. But otherwise, you guys have an awesome day. I'm gonna totally finish my cups that I worked on today. I'm gonna finish those tomorrow, but I'm really looking forward to making more cups and more things. So no, yeah, you're so silly. But yeah, I'm gonna let you guys go, but I will talk to you all tomorrow. See ya.